Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog nail trimmers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Shiny Pet Nail Clippers. Petite pooches have tiny, fragile nails that require special dog nail trimmers, and Shiny Pet Clippers are a perfect match. The scissor style of these clippers makes them comfortable to use and suited for the small paws and claws of your four-legged companion. The semicircular and angled stainless steel blade is designed for precise and sharp cutting of the nail. This is crucial as their fragile nails are more prone to painful crushing and require razor-sharp tools. The handles have an ergonomic grip to make sure you have a firm and comfortable hold while you're grooming your pet. Shiny Pet nail clippers are designed to be used on small and toy breed dogs, as well as puppies. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Resco Deluxe Dog Nail Trimmer. https://www.amazon.com/resco-deluxe-trimmer/dp/b0010882/ref=as_lee_ss_tl. Resco invented the guillotine-style dog nail clippers more than half a century ago, and they have been the most popular choice ever since, and with good reason. These USA-made dog nail trimmers are not just convenient to use but well-made and durable. They will get you a good bang for your buck. Made out of rugged steel, these clippers are difficult to get dull and will give you years of use. The micro-honed, replaceable cutting blade on the standard model is a match for small and medium dog breeds, but there are Resco alternatives suited to the needs of large breeds, as well. At number 3, we have the Zen Clipper Puppy and Small Dog Nail Clippers. If you are a newbie at dog nail clipping or simply do not want to sweat bullets while you're trimming your pet's claws, you'll love the unusual design of the Zen clippers. The unique conical blade grips and cuts only the very tips of your pet's nails, eliminating the possibility of cutting the quick by clipping far too deep. And the non-slip, cushioned handles are another bonus for your comfort and convenience, as they boast an ergonomic design. These dog nail clippers come with different diameters of the hole opening on the blade to fit dogs of all ages and sizes, from extra small puppies to extra large dogs. At number 2, we have the BOSEHL Dog Nail Clippers. Inexpensive and easy to use, these dog nail clippers will help you keep your pooch's nails tidy and short while keeping his safety and comfort in mind, too. The safety guard that is located right behind the high-quality 3.5mm thick stainless steel sharp blade prevents deep cuts and bleeds and makes nail trimming hassle-free even for beginners. The handles are ergonomic and easy to grip, with rubberized parts to ensure there's no slipping while you're clipping. As a bonus, these clippers also have a built-in mini file in one of the handles to make sure your dog's nails are smooth after your paw ICU is finished. And finally, at number 1, we have the Caspoy Dog Nail Grinder. Cheap, compact, and convenient, this dog nail grinder boasts an ultra-quiet operation that won't scare off your timid pooch as soon as you hit the on button. The diamond bit grinder is encased in plastic with 3 ports to make sure you can use this tool on small and large dogs alike and control the amount and intensity of the grinding. There are also 2 speeds to choose from, low and high, depending on the thickness of your pet's nails. With a 2-hour operation after one charge, this portable dog nail trimmer is a good choice for travel, too. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.